Hello students, welcome all. I am Madhu and I am your life skills teacher. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 3, Act on Time. In this chapter we will learn how to use the time in the proper situation and to act properly in each and every situation. Okay, so let's start the chapter. Chapter 3, Act on Time. So we are going to do some difficult words and the meanings of this chapter. Number 1 is alarmed. 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 Meaning is feeling frightened or worried. Okay. Number 2 is frightened. Okay. And the meaning is full of fear or worry. Number 3 is escape. To manage to get away from a place where you do not want to be. Or you can say to get free. Okay. Number 4 is conversation and the spelling is CONVERSATIONS, conversations, and the meaning is to talk between two or more people. Number 5 is clump of reeds, okay, clump of reeds, and the spelling is CLUMP, clump of REEDS, reeds, small group of plants or trees growing together. Okay, small group of trees or plants growing together. Number 6 is presence and the spelling is PRESENCE, presence, and the meaning is to the fact of being in a particular place. To the fact of being in a particular place. So in chapter 3, Act on Time, we are going to learn something new. Okay, so let's start the chapter. In a lake, there lived several fish and frog. The frog's best friends were two clever fish. One day, some fisherman came by. "Hey, look," said a fisherman to his friend. "We should catch all the fish here. Let's come back soon." Now the frog had heard this conversation and was alarmed, and the meaning of alarmed is feeling frightened or worried. Yes, they will catch all of us. We should get out of here quickly. Let me go and warn my friends, he thought. He wasted no more time and hopped to tell the fish of what he had heard. When the fish heard the frog's story, they laughed. Don't be frightened. Frightened means full of fear or worry. Yes, don't be frightened, friend. If the man come back, we will save you. We see no reason to leave our lovely home, said the fish. But the frog was not happy. He said, "Well, maybe because you are clever, you will be able to escape." And the meaning of escape is to get free. Yes, I'm not smart enough to do that. The frog said, "I'm not smart enough to do that. So I'm going to leave right away and find myself another home." The next day, the frog hid in a clump of reeds. Meaning of clump of reeds is small group of trees or plants growing together, where he would be safe from the fisherman's net. He waited to see what would happen. Sure enough, the fisherman came with their nets and caught all the fish that were in the lake. No trick his two friends came up with worked. They were caught like the rest. The frog saved his life by acting on the time and with presence of mind, thus acting intelligently. Now it's the homework time. You have to read the chapters and learn the word meanings of these chapters. First one is Thank You Dear God, that is the poem. Chapter 1, God is One. Chapter 2, Peace Lovers, and Chapter 3, Act on Time. These all chapters will come in your worksheet. So make sure that you go through the chapters in the proper manner. Now, as you have seen the homework, now you have to revise all these chapters for the worksheet, and do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel, and also do not forget to mention your name, class and sections in the comment box. Okay, take care of yourself, enjoy yourself and be happy.